Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So today I will introduce you two websites that will help you to create any kind of posts or banners or whatever you want to create. You don't need any graphic designing skills for that. So I am just creating my YouTube banner from this website. So let's see how we will do that. We have to open this application, uh, this one app.createop.com. So when you will open this website, it will ask you to create an account. So you have to create the account first. After creating the account, you have many options here. You can select from the already created designs, and you can change the text or background or sizes of the images, size of the image you want to create, Instagram posts, and many other designs. Some are premium, some are free, but I will show you how to create a free especially banners or post from this website. So I have to create a channel banner that's width is 2048 and its height is 1158. So I have to copy this 1152. Okay, so first I will show you this website. So I have to click on create and custom size. In width I will put this one and 1152. I will create the height of it, this banner. So it's optional to give its name, so I am giving the name YouTube banner and click on create custom size. Now you have a custom size of banner that is empty right now. What I have to do, what I am planning to put my photo on this side, on the right side, and I want to write my name, a channel name here, and then I will put a background here. So let's see how we will do that. First I will show you how to remove the background from the image, because I have a image, my image is available, but it have a background. I want to remove that background so that it can be more attractive. So let's see, I have this image, and because I already did that for the demo purpose, so again I am showing you in front of you. So I have to download this image is downloaded. Now what I will do is I have to add the image. So I will go to my uploads, upload a file, and from upload a file I will go to downloads because I recently downloaded. Here is the image. The image is now uploaded, and here is the image. So I will resize it. I will put it on this side, and I will try to add a background on it. So here I will click on background. In background I have multiple options. I can give color, I can give images also, and because here I can select the images, I have predefined textures. So I will select from texture. I think it will be more easy for me to manage. So let's suppose I added this is not so much good because it's a very dark background. I will need a little bit. Yeah, this one is fine, but let's see, let's explore some more options here if I will able to find this one. This one is very classic type, so we will go with this one. So here I already added the background and one image. So what I need to do is now I have to put some gradient. I can do first try how gradient work. I think it's not good, so I will do Control Z. So Control Z will automatically undo the previous changes. So now I have to add the text. For text I have to go here and write text this. So the subheader, and now I will add subheading. In subheading I will tell the this little description about the my channel. So what I will do is I will just align it here, and in subheading I will say learn real application of information technology. So I will just resize it so that it can be more good. So for application I have a spelling mistake, I'm correcting it. So here is my channel short description. Grammarly is recommending me some changes, so I will add these changes also. Still I think I have to move this one into center, maybe, for it will no, then I have center of this text. So I have to change the text design and color. So first I will do change the color of the text. Color, I have to, how I will do that, I have to put the color here. So whatever color I want, for example I want black color, so black color code is I can select from here also, because it will be easy for you to. So for example this color is not so much prominent on it, I need some light colors. So I will check light color in green, maybe this one, and here I will put maybe the color in red shade. Okay, this one is little much like lighter color. I need some color that is not so much light, so I will change this one to maybe this. Oh, this is again not fitting best here, so I think maybe yellow or green. I think this green will work. Okay, so here is the image that I wanted to create. I can add more things on it, but first thing, I will add one button here. So buttons, there are many options here for button. So I will add subscribe button, and here is the subscribe button. I will change the subscribe button's background. So fill color, I will change it to red to make it more like YouTube style text, YouTube type button. So here is the subscribe button. I can change text size to subscribe, change the image the button size also. So I will put it here. Now what I will do is I have to just download this image. So if I will click on download, it will give me many options. I am doing JPEG, so JPG image, high quality, and download. The image is in progress, so they are creating image for me, and now it is downloaded. So if I will see that I have a fully designed banner for my YouTube channel. So hope you like this video, and hope it will help you to create like very much creative designs by own without having any skill of Adobe Photoshop or such kind of softwares. Thank you.